when we talk of gender.
Did you say gender part?
The Gender Commission.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Gender Commission. Gender Commission.
Yeah, it's because you've been talking of the body parts and everything. Madam Speaker, it's high time. It's high time, Madam Speaker, we learnt of our body parts, all of them, so that when they speak of one, we don't say that someone is losing integrity. We have the eye, we have the head, we have the mouth, we have the chest. There is nothing that is, when we talk of any part, there is nothing that is out of, someone will tell you that you don't have integrity. If you go to the hospital, Kenya, we have a problem of explaining our problems because you want to remain subservient to the traditions. You are diarrheaing, you want to say, I feel the stomach is running. You don't want to speak what is hurting you. Where is your problem? The male, you go to the hospital. You want to hide, I feel a scratch. You don't want to say where you are scratching because of culture. Come on, every body part is essential. It is not bad to mention its name. Now when women we say anything about our body parts, you definitely think we are disabled. We are not. So let us treat each and every department. We should not even be glorified that women have been given this. Provided you are a leader, you deserve a position. Which order are you talking about, Honorable Kaluma?
Honorable Dorris, you are out of order totally. It is the speaker to determine what the point of... Honorable Kaluma, what is out of order?
Honorable Speaker, you know, we just dealt with the motion in which we passed members of the Commission on Administrative Justice. And one of the people we have passed is Madam Dorothy Jamator Chemangej. And she's calling me, asking why women leaders are talking too much about body parts. And it is making her feel outside there that because we never said something about her competence, and this is a lady who was my mentee, a lady I worked with, she's asking, could it be that we are letting people think we never debated them because of their body parts? Would I request, Honorable Speaker, that as I confirm on record, Dorothy Jamator Chemangej, Charles Orindadulo was my partner. They were passed not because of their body parts, but their confidence, and we